right, it's time to do our morning library news stretches. Here we go. Here's what's happening this week in the libraries. Join the Media Library as they play board games in 250H on February 6th from 3 to 5 p.m. Wanting to replay a classic board game or discover something new? This is an opportunity to get your friends together and play some board games. We'll see you there. Learn how to create visually compelling posters that effectively communicate your research and ideas, from impactful design elements to presentation techniques. This in-person workshop will guide you through the essentials. Perfect for students preparing for class projects, showcases, or conferences. The poster design workshop is happening February 6th at Discovery Park Library in room B112 from 2 to 3 p.m. Come check it out. Who needs a coffee when you can have a lip pick? Okay, you might still need that coffee. Just a friendly reminder that during the fall and spring semesters, Willis Library is open 24 hours a day, so be sure to stop by day or night to find the materials that you need for your research or knock out some homework with some friends. You can also find the hours for our other library locations online at calendar.library.unt.edu. Please note that the hours are subject to change over holidays and breaks. Did you know that the UNT Libraries assist with questions or advice about finding government, business, geographic, or legal information through the Government Information Connection, or GIC? We provide assistance through our available subject guides, as well as through our librarians who can help in person, over the phone, by email, or by mail. You can start your government-related research by visiting library.unt.edu/governmentinformation. Like to use your imagination and work on creative projects? You should check out our Spark Makerspaces. The Spark is a hands-on experimental learning space with the goal of igniting imagination, encouraging exploration, and facilitating learning. From 3D printers, camera gear, CNC machines, laser cutters, embroidery and sewing machines, and more, visit guides.library.unt.edu/spark to learn more. Well, that's all the news we have for today, so be sure to check us out next week for more info. And as always, check out our website at library.unt.edu for all the resources available to you. See ya!